I've used a few automatically the boxes at this point, and honestly, the part that gets annoying over time usually isn't the scooping, it's cleaning the machine itself. That's been one of my biggest issues with a lot of closed designs. So this time I wanted to see if something more open, like the OneIsAll Ease S1, actually makes more sense day to day. So this video is not really about trying an automatically the box for the first time. I've already have closed ones in my home, and I know the general pros and cons pretty well. What I wanted to look at here is different design approach. This is the OneIsAll Ease S1, and the reason this one caught my attention is pretty simple. It's open, it uses a rectangular layout, and the whole thing looks like it was built with easier cleaning in mind. So for this review, I'm really looking at four things. First, how easy is it to clean? Second, how the open designs change the experience for the cats. Third, whether the self-cleaning side still feels solid. And then finally, whether the safety side feels reassuring in daily use. So let's start with the part that matters most to me, and that's cleaning. I think this is where a lot of automatic litter boxes get judged long term. With a lot of closed designs, that job can get pretty annoying. You end up dealing with tighter interior space, more accurate edges, and spots that just take more effort to wipe down properly, especially around the sides, where cats tend to aim or scratch. That buildup can get harder to deal with than you expect. That's where the Ease S1 feels different. The structure is just more straightforward. It's more open, easier to see into, and the dirty contact parts are easier to get to. So instead of feeling like I'm cleaning around the machine, it feels like I'm just removing the parts that actually need attention. Now, here's the part I like most. The liner setup makes a big difference. You've got that full cover silicone liner, and it gives ways fewer places to hang out. When it's time to clean, I'm not trying to reach into weird corners or scrub the inside the body. I'm just taking out the parts that got dirty, rinsing them and putting them back. And that changed the whole feel of maintenance. It feels less like a full cleanup and more like a quick reset. I also think the rectangular shape helps more than it sounds like wood. It's easier to see the edges, it's easier to tell what needs cleaning, and it just feels more practical when I'm checking the parts that usually get messy first. So if I'm comparing this to the closed little boxes I already have at home, this is the biggest difference by far. The Ease S1 feels much more manageable for regular cleaning. Next thing I kept noticing was how different this feels for the cats. And I don't just mean that it's open, I mean the whole layout feels more approachable, the entry is more obvious, the space feels more visible, and for cats that are a little more cautious, that can matter. With closed little boxes, some cats adjust right away and some need more time. That's just part of it. But with something like this, the experience feels closer to a regular little box. They can see where they're going, they can step in more naturally, and they have more room to move once they're inside. I think that part matters even more if you have larger cats, or cats that just like a little more room when they turn, dig, and cover. The rectangular layout helps here too, because it feels like more of the space is actually usable. So from the cat side, this is what stands out to me. It's not just that the box is open, it's that the open layout makes it feel simpler and more natural to use. Of course, even with all that, it still needs to do the basic automatic little box stuff well. So here's how the Ease S1 works in practice. After the cat uses it, the box runs a cleaning cycle shortly after. The clump waste gets separated from the cleaning litter, and that waste drops down into the bin below. That part is important because what you want from the automatic litter box is consistency. You want the litter area to reset itself without needing you to step in every single time. And from what I have seen here, the cleaning cycle does a good job. The waste bin is also a meaningful part of the setup. This one is 11 liters, and the official claim is up to 40 days for one cat, or less than that if you've got more cats using it. In my case, I always look at that more as a reduced maintenance, not as a challenge to stretch it as far as possible. But either way, the larger bin does help lower how often I need to deal with waste. Now, on the safety side, this is one of the things I always want to see in action, because people naturally worry about it with any automatic litter box. If a cat gets close during a cycle, it stops. If cat jumps back in, it stops again. And if something interrupts the mechanism, it reacts right away. That kind of response matters because I want the whole thing to feel calm and predictable in daily use. I also think the open design helps here because I can see into the box more easily. I always have a clear sense of what's happening. The cats can approach it more naturally too, and the whole interaction just feels easier to follow. So for me, this session is really about confirming the baseline. Yes, it handles automatic cleaning job. Yes, it has the safety behavior I would expect. But the reason I will keep thinking about this one still comes back to the easier maintenance and the more open layout. And one small side note here, I actually tried OneIsAll's pet hair purifier before this little box, and that's part of why I was curious about this brand in the first place. It is easy to place in the area where the cats spend the most time, and what stood out to me is that it's not just about the air side. It's also really good at pulling in loose hair. It got dual side intake, the large pet hair grill, and a washable pre-filter that can be cleaned and reused, which I think make a lot of sense in the pet home. So who do I think this style of litter box makes the most sense for? If you already use a closed automatic litter box, and the part that started wearing on you was the upkeep, I think this design makes a lot of sense. If you got larger cats or cats that seem to prefer a more open setup, I think it makes sense there too. And if you're coming from a regular litter box, but you are a little unsure how your cat will feel about a fully closed machine, this also feels like an easier transition. Now, obviously, some people are still going to prefer closed designs. They look more enclosed, more self-contained, and some cats do just fine with them. But for me personally, the Ease S1 feels stronger in the areas I care about most, and that's easier cleaning, simpler maintenance, and a layout that feels more natural for the cats to use. So after comparing this with the closed automatic litter boxes I already have at home, I think the biggest difference is pretty straightforward. It's not just whether the litter box cleans itself, it's whether it stays easy to live with over time. That's why the Ease S1 stands out to me. And it's worth mentioning that the S1 is only $229, which is a lot more affordable in the market. So if you're trying to decide between open and closed automatic litter boxes, this is the main thing I will pay attention to. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.